Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn about the sale tax ST and or the VAT. Sale tax is the charge by the shopkeeper from the customer on the selling price of the item. VAT, the price of the articles included the tax. To understand the basic concept of sale tax and VAT, we will consider the three examples here. The cost of TV set rupees is. Find the bill amount. The sale tax charge was 8% by the shopkeeper. So here we can write cost of a TV is equal to rupees 36,500. Tax, sale tax is equal to 8%. So sale tax is equal to tax percent. So sale tax is equal to 8 upon 100 into 36,500. Cancel 0 to 0. 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 29. So this is the tax. So bill amount is equal to 36,500 प्लस 2920. दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे 20,9593, 39,420 rupees. Now the next question. Ramesh bought an air cooler for rupees 5,400 including VAT at the 8%. Find the original price of the cooler. So we can let it price, the original price of the cooler be rupees X over the 100. What you want? Let the example to solution. Let the original price be rupees 100. Tax percent, VAT percent is equal to 8%. So VAT is equal to 8% of 100 is equal to rupees 8. So price of the cooler is equal to 100 plus 8 is equal to 108 when price with tax with VAT is rupees 108, then original price is equal to 100. Price with VAT is 100, then original price is 100 upon 108. Price with VAT is 5400. Then original price is 100 upon 108 into 5400. 5 टाइम ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, इक्वल टू ₹5000. हम इसको x मान करके भी कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चन को. एग्जाम्पल थर्ड. This is the third question. When the cost with tax, original price and the price including VAT is given, means the selling price, then how can we find the rate of VAT? Price of TV including VAT is equal to rupees 26,880. Original price is equal to rupees 24,000. So VAT 26,880 minus 24 is equal to 2,880. So VAT percent is equal to 2,880 upon 24,000 into 100. कैंसिल 20220, 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो गया. 6 4 जा 4 से इसको कैंसिल कर देंगे. 12 इक्वल टू 12%. दिस विल बी द आंसर. So there are 3 type questions. One question based on discount of the previous exercise. These 3 type the question in the exercise 10C. Name of the topic is successive discount. Successive discount. Find the single discount. Question: find single discount equivalent to two successive discount (25% and 15%). Let the solution. Let the mark price of the item is equal to rupees 100. First discount percent is equal to 25%. So selling price of item become 100 minus 25 is equal to 75. Now again he is giving discount इक्वल टू 15% डिस्काउंट परसेंट, सो डिस्काउंट इक्वल टू 15% of 75, 15/100 of 75, 25 3 जा 4 जा 45/4 इक्वल टू 4 1 जा 4 1 जा 4.25 रुपीज. So selling price of item after successive discount equal to 75 minus 11.25. 75 में से 11.25 माइनस कर देंगे तो यू गेट 75/3 इक्वल टू 63.75. सो सिंगल डिस्काउंट इक्वल टू, सो लास्ट लाइन, सो सिंगल डिस्काउंट जो भी हमारा सेलिंग प्राइस है इसको 100 में से माइनस कर देंगे. सो सिंगल डिस्काउंट परसेंट इज इक्वल टू 100 माइनस 63.75. तो 100 में से 63 पॉइंट को माइनस कर देंगे तो 36.25%. ये आपका आंसर. थैंक यू.